Are you tired of struggling with hair loss? Do you want to restore your hair and your confidence? Introducing the revolutionary Strand-By-Strand Cosmetic Hair Restoration Procedure from Advanced Hair Studio. With Strand-By-Strand Cosmetic, you can replace your lost hair, strand by strand, without any surgery, pain, or scarring. Our cutting-edge technology ensures that you get a personalized, transformational hair experience, unlike any other procedure. Our team of highly trained hair experts has been performing this procedure for over 50 years worldwide, giving you the assurance of quality and safety. With Strand-By-Strand Cosmetic, you can style your hair as per your wish. It can be cut, customized, colored, and altered until you get the desired look. You can continue your regular hair care routine without any changes in your daily life. Say goodbye to hair loss and restore your hair to its former glory with the Strand-By-Strand Cosmetic procedure at Advanced Hair Studio. Don't wait any longer. Contact us today to schedule your consultation. Advanced Hair Studio, where we specialize in hair restoration and give you back your confidence.